name is Liza Denise Valenton Sigario.
And I am Legend Igor Fashion.
And today we are going to choose
And random students.
around here in the campus about their insights and or opinions about our Filipino cultures.
So, let's start.
Good afternoon. My name is Liza Denise Valenton Sigario from ISED today. And introduce yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Joanna Novo from District 1.
So in this afternoon, at this moment, we would like to have your permission if it's okay to film this.
Yes.
So thank you so much. And I have a picture here to show you to get your insight. So first is this one. Can you tell me about your insights about this picture?
Actually, yes, as a Filipino, we conduct as a culture we respect other people or other than we don't know, but we yes, so atong pag-respect na culture na ng mga Pilipino, mura kita sa mga parents na mas dito ng mga mas murang pangkat.
Alright, thank you so much. So would you like to add more? So hi, good afternoon. My name is Liza Denise Valenton Sigario from USED 2A, Nature and English, and introduce yourself.
My name is Virginia Wilby Hatan. I am based in Major English University.
Is it okay if we don't first interview?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I have here a picture to show you to, and can you give me your insight about the picture? So this one.
Oh, that's may I use the word?
Yes.
It was back in the days when itong mga ancestors natin was parang also doon ang parang day-to-day was parang i-show nila anong lang was the person they love. And for me personally, I find it very interesting and very heartwarming. If I put myself in the shoes of that woman na parang sa bitana kahit dito ang tao na gusto sa inyo natin, serenading you with all his friends, na kanyang love is working. It's very heartwarming siguro, and I find dito ang essence sa harana when it comes sa Filipino culture, and sadly na unfortunately lang sa mga generation is it's not very pwede na ito makita.
Okay, so you're telling me the way Filipino show love back then is very romantic and pure joy. Diba? So harana. Thank you so much. So I have here a picture to show you, and let me know about your insight.
This is the shot. For me, every Filipino is nice celebration. Lagi the shot. Kaya it's a tradition na sa mga Filipino nga with nice celebration. Kaya lagi the shot. Meron siya
Kulang
celebration kung wala siya. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So I am Leadership as Poland. I am from BSN Mathematics. So this celebration is traditional clothing here in the Philippines, but unfortunately it is only worn now occasionally during events and such.
Can we start this conversation? Can you give us your insight on how do you experience culture?
So I can see the picture is a jeepney or a traditional transportation of a Filipino. So it represents us on how we are strong in everyday life and how strong we are a Filipino in everyday life, like a jeepney, because we endure so much, but still we are keep going on. Like a jeepney, we travel every day, but we continue living. That's how I relate to our Filipino culture and how I see that.
Today, we're from East Italy. We'd like to have your insights about this photo.
Para sa una ko yung mga pictures, nagbibigay siya sa atin sa mga din. So, sa una pa lang daan ng mga Pilipino dito yung mga trabaho ko, isa sa mga nakapagpangin sa Pilipino ng pagsasaka. So, hindi maging kasagaran ng ang ibang mga Pilipino sa pagsasaka, sa una pa lang daan, pero ang kapan ng anis, ang pagkaroon, para palagi i-activate group ang kaning pagsasaka sa Pilipinas. It's because siguro sa pagpasa ng gano'n.
From English to English. So I'm going to answer this segment to A. So can you give us insight about this photo?
Ito, saya. Makita natin rin kaya Philippine folk dance na ating bring. So, nagsimbula siya sa kultura sa Pilipino na sa kultura sa Pilipino, sa mga simple na mga kuan, kaya mga traditional na mga sinutan o ang kawayan na nagsimbula rin sa simple na pamumuhay. Salamat.
Good morning, Ate. I'm from Vietnamese and English today. So I'm going to show you a picture about Filipino culture, and we would like to know about your insights to the picture of this. So here's the picture. So my insight about it is one of the, I would say, great Filipino traditions. As Filipinos, here it is very common to have so many celebrations, and it is really common that during those, before the exact celebrations, we have our family members and the kitchen cooking together, but they are not just cooking or preparing food for a celebration, but also talking about life, like asking one another how they feel. So it is really a great tradition that we apply in our here in the Philippines, and because we have something we understand one another, and at the same time we cook delicious foods for the celebration. Thank you, guys. Good afternoon. Beginning from the English to A. So I'm going to show you a picture, one of our Filipino culture, and we would like to know about your insight about this picture. So here.
As we this is Filipino celebration of Catholics, because this is a celebration about the arrival of Jesus Christ in His birthplace.
Good morning. We are from the base English to A. I'm going to show you a picture, and I would like to know if what can you think about our Filipino cultures with the specific picture that I'm going to show you. So can you please tell us your insights about this photo?
For me, it's a mascara festival because nag-wear sila mascara, and my insight of that is it gives the importance of the cultures and giving value kung sa ilang napakita like the mascara, kung sa nagibang suot, gives the like giving the importance of culture and the created, and it needs to preserve for the next generation, and
Thank you so much.